Hi, I'm Dr. Kunal Shah from Essenzaa Nutrition Private Limited, based in Bombay. We are one of India's largest leading and manufacturer and exporter of herbal and nutraceutical supplement. Customers usually buy from us because our facility is accredited with US FDA, WHO GMP, ISO 22000, Halal, HACCP, and our products are patented in US, India, and China. And we have over 350 products with about 35 clinical trials. That's why customers buy from us. And we are present in about 30 plus countries today, expanding and growing. Mostly the difference is that we are technically backed. We have a full research team. We have do R&D and formulation. We do custom manufacturing as per the client's needs. And we are also expertised in documentation and dossier work for the clients. Right? Our products are batch to batch consistency is there. They are high quality products that comes from very standard manufacturing facility with clean room environment, HEPA filters, AHUs, equipments with full SS and GMP machines. So there's batch to batch consistency and there's good price. Our experience with IPHEX, this is our third year in IPHEX exhibition, and it has been good. The B2B meetings are also exceptional, and the crowd here is mostly relevant and B2B buyers. Thank you.